Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting now. Enable location in settings and set high accuracy so maps can use Wi-Fi, cell towers, and GPS together. Next, open Google Maps and confirm you're signed into the correct Google account. This ensures saved places update properly. When Maps requests location and background location permission, grant it. Make sure to allow while using the app or always if you need continuous updates. Once done, return to Maps and look for the blue dot that indicates with your location active. Tap the blue dot to center the map and reveal options. Choose to report or update your location. If you need to set a different spot, long press on the map to drop a pin where you want Google to record the place. For accuracy, zoom in close and drag the pin until it snaps to the right building or entrance, because precise pin placement improves navigation and saved place reliability. Also, add a label or choose Save to keep that spot tied to your account. Finish by tapping Save or Report and confirm the change is linked to your Google account. That ensures the update appears across devices. If Maps doesn't accept the new location, toggle Location Off and On, then restart the device. This often clears temporary GPS conflicts. Make sure Google Maps is updated, and if problems continue, clear the app cache or re-grant permissions. As a last resort, report a problem with a concise description. This helps Google correct map data faster.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.